Hi, in this question, I'm going to solve a review exercise for the scatter diagram and the correlation. So take a look, number 1, study the scatter diagram and answer the question. So this is about the accident at the road junction. So yeah, we got number of accident and average speed. So what does this diagram show? So they show is the number of accidents at different speed. So what is the independent variable is average speed. So we can write it here. Here is average speed for km/h. Use a ruler to model the best fit line. Okay, here is not. Try to make it as equal as much as possible. So the best fit line, I would say, is this. Okay, the number accident at the junction when the average speed is 100. So 70, okay, 100. Yeah, let's say is it 100. So use, okay, we can make it just straight line here. Okay, when vehicle is 100 km/h, so this is approximately equal to 35 accident. Approximately equal to, okay, the average speed of vehicle for which there are fewer of 10. Okay, for the 10 accident, here is 10, here is 10. Okay, fewer than 10. So this need to be less than 35 km/h. So describe the correlation. The correlation, because they are close to each other, is strong positive. What does your answer to part D tell you about the relationship? Okay, so let me write, there are more accident when vehicle use higher average of speed. Okay. Table number 2. Describe this trend shown in this graph. Okay. So a brand new car costs 15,000. Want to find the second-hand car this model are sold for. He drew the scatter diagram to show the relationship between the price and the age of cars in the second-hand dealership. Okay, as this is going down, you can see here going down. So here is, let me write it, strong negative correlation. Here, strong correlation at first. So it's going down, but yeah, it's not going down too fast. So at first, you can see at first, but here after this gonna be, yeah, not too going down. So but this becomes weaker as the car get older. Okay, now B, in which 2 years period the price car fall in the value the largest amount. Okay, when here is going down, from here, so this is from 3, so we can write it B. I will write it here. So this is approximately 3 years, equal to 3 years. Describe what happened to the price when the car is 3 or 5 years old. Starting from 3 to 5 years old. Okay, this is stable with the 6. Okay, there is no strong change. So we can write it stabilize around here 6,000 US dollar. Okay, how old would you expect a second-hand car to be? It was advertised. Okay, if this 750, so I will say here 750. So we got the scatter. So from 2, or we can get here also from here 2 and 3, about 750. So 2 and 3 years I would expect it. 3, what price range would you expect a 3 years old car to fall into? Okay, 3 starting from 9 to 5, so it's gonna be 5, around 500, 5,000 to $9,000. So how reliable do you think your answer? Actually, this is not very reliable, okay, as there is a limited data from one dealership, so this is not really reliable. Okay, number 3, the scatter diagram is drawn and the X and Y point a perfect horizontal line. So let's draw it. Horizontal line. So if this is X, this is Y, horizontal line is only like this. So we need to comment on the correlation. There is no increase or decrease. So there is no correlation. As X increase, X increase by Y, no. So it's only one variable increase. So there is no correlation. This is for A. B, what if the points form and the vertically line instead? Okay, vertical line is gonna be like this. This is still the same thing, no correlation, as only Y increase and X no. So this is only one variable increase. Okay, there it is. Thank you.